Hello guys, this is Eleftheria Barbagianni from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're well and we're starting again for a new season or until the end of the year. We have plans and getting, ready to grow your business. Now, in today's video, I have a couple of tips on how to add a GDPR cookie consent and make sure it is compliance with everything and is free. So I will put the link below of this plugin that is for a cookie consent and is free, and you can have a look through for if you want to actually upgrade, buy the plugin, but you have a lot of options that is free and is good for your site and is legal. Make your site legal is very, very important. And also, you can use different options when it comes to Europe and USA. So first of all, you find the plugin on the plugin list, on the plugins. You add the plugin, you activate, of course, the plugin, and then you go mainly on the settings. And what you can do, and as you can see here, you can have GDPR for Europe and CCPA, or you can actually have both. So what I actually recommend, if you get traffic from United States, make sure you have both. And also enable CCPA and show CCPA notice, as you see here, and then updating settings, and you're done. You can have a look through all the advanced settings and everything that you can do, with this plugin. And again, you have here you can upgrade to a premium if you want to. Have a look through what you can have if you upgrade, but there is a lot of things you can do with a free version of it, and you don't really need to stress. Again, if you are only Europe and you want to use this one, GDPR, make sure you use it. It's very important to follow the rules and you have a legal site. And also you can do both if you have traffic from California. And then again, you can have changing advanced settings here, customize the cookie bar if you want, and it's really simple and it's actually free. So I will put the link below and you can download it. And don't forget to leave your comments below on the video, like this video, and ask me anything you want. Connect with me on the social media. Have a great day.